I'm at Publix supermarket, and I'm gonna buy the food now. Well, hello there. Welcome. Oh, thank you so much. I'm ready to buy my food. How much is that one? $5.54 for that? That's expensive. $5.54. And this is your helper here? She's your helper? Okay, good. So give it to her. That way she can put it on the side. And then pick another one.
She knows how to scan it?
She knows how to look for the barcode. How much is that one? That's one. Pick another thing. You got a lot of stuff, buddy. All right. She's a pro. You got your money?